Ethereum and Bitcoin, how do they compare? In a previous video, we talked about how the Ethereum creators took the foundational and breakthrough technology of Bitcoin and extended it to create a programmable blockchain, something with more functionality. So when comparing Bitcoin and Ethereum, the temptation is sometimes to think that Ethereum is superior because it's technologically evolved. It has more features, it has more code, it has more things you can do to it. But we don't think that's quite the right way to look at it. For example, if I asked you, what's the best car? Is it a four-door hybrid or electric sedan? Or is it a four-wheel drive pickup truck? The answer would depend on what you're trying to do or what you need it for. If you need to get to work on nice highways with good infrastructure, with good gas mileage, the sedan might be the best choice. If you need to run a farm or you live out in the wilderness, the pickup truck might literally mean the difference between life and death. And so we think it's similar with Bitcoin versus Ethereum. Bitcoin was created to be a monetary network with a token that is acting as an emerging monetary good. So if you have a monetary network, you want it to be decentralized and secure. In this sense, Bitcoin does a very good job. Its code is very ossified. It doesn't change very much. Things are a little slower, but this also means there's less risk for bugs to be introduced into the system. Ethereum, on the other hand, has changed its code many times and is expected to change again in the future. It's built for functionality, for building these decentralized applications. And so it's responding to people's needs and what the market may want in terms of additional applications and functions. And so if you look on the slide, you can see some of the main differences between the two. So again, from an investor perspective, it's not either or one is better than the other, but we think it makes sense to view them with different investment thesis based on their different use cases.